Well, hello again to my cool highness. Welcome back to another reaction video. And in this one, we react to another one of Hack Namco's masterpieces. And I don't know if I pronounced this right, but it is Flatulence Royale. If I said that wrong, please let me know down in the comments. But let's check this out.
Your file shows no kills bond, but to become a double O, it takes... How did you die? Your contact? Not well. You needn't worry. The second is... Yes. Considerably.
The man was private banker to the world's terrorists.
I will be keeping my eye on our government's money and off your perfectly formed house. It doesn't bother you killing those people.
How's our girl? Melted your cold heart yet? James, get the girl out.
You're not going to let me in there. You've got your armor back on.
Whatever is left of me. Whatever I am. Sorry.
Oh dear.
I've got a little itch. Down there. Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh, brilliant. Well done. Well done. Yeah. Had some really good things in there. And Hat Namco, great. Just great. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you all in the very next video. Woo! 007 out.